Hello students. Today in this video, I will explain you the remaining questions of exercise 2b. All of you see question number 5th. Find the following product. You have to find the product. First part, a square plus a plus 1 and a minus 1. So we have to find the product. Product means multiply. So two methods are there to find the product as I had explained you in the previous lecture. First method is horizontal method. So this question number fifth question first part I will explain you with the help of horizontal method. So in the horizontal method what you have to do, these two algebraic expression we have to multiply. So first of all we will write these two algebraic expression in the separate bracket. These two algebraic expression we have to find the product. Product means multiply we have to do. So first of all what you have to do, this first term of first bracket we will write. Then after that we have to multiply this first term with this second algebraic expression. So this second algebraic expression you have to write in the bracket. Now we will take second term of the first algebraic expression. Second term is plus a. This plus a we have to multiply with full bracket. Now third term also we will take. Third term is plus 1. This plus 1 we have to multiply with full bracket. So what we had done here, first algebraic expression we had written in one bracket, multiply second algebraic expression I had written here in the second bracket, another bracket. Now in order to find the product, horizontal method we are doing. First term we will write here, multiply with full algebraic expression, second algebraic expression. Now second term multiply with this full algebraic expression, plus 1 third term multiply with full algebraic expression. Now we have to open the bracket. A square multiply with a will become a cube, a power 3, plus a square. On the left hand of a square no sign is there, that means this is plus a square. Plus multiply minus will be minus. A square into 1, answer will be a square. Now we will come to this multiplication term. First of all we have to multiply sign. On the left hand of a plus sign is there. Plus multiply, here no sign is given, that means it is also plus. Plus multiply plus plus. Now a multiply a will be a square. Again we will multiply this plus a with minus 1. Plus multiply minus minus. Plus multiply minus will be minus. A multiply 1 will be a. Now we will come to this third product. Bracket we will open. On the left hand of 1 plus sign is there. On the left hand of a no sign is there, that means plus is there. Plus multiply plus plus. 1 into a when we will do, we will get 1a. Similarly we will multiply this plus 1 with minus 1. So first of all we have to multiply sign. Plus multiply minus minus. 1 into 1 will be 1. Now in the next step what you have to do, we have to solve like terms together. Solve karenge like terms. This is a cube. No other term is having a cube. So we will write as it is. Now we will take another term, a square. This is a square. This is also a square. This is minus a square and this is plus a square. So these two will get cancelled because these are exactly same. And one is having minus sign and another one is having plus sign. That's why these two will get cancelled. Now next term minus a and this is plus 1a. Here no number is written, that means we can take 1. So this is minus 1a and this is plus 1a. These two will also get cancelled. Why these two will get cancelled? Because the sign are opposite and these 1a and 1a both are same. That's why these two will get cancelled. Now remaining term is minus 1. So final answer is a cube minus 1. So like this you have to do in the horizontal method. Now another part I will explain you with the another method, column method. See part number Sixth part. Fifth question, sixth part. 3a cube plus 2a plus 1 a square plus 5. Heading is find the product. Product means multiply. So we have to multiply these two algebraic expression. So now this question I will explain you with the help of column method. So in column method, what you have to do? In the previous lecture I had explained you this column method. So in column method, what we will do? This first algebraic expression we will write upside 3a cube plus 2a plus 1. Second algebraic expression we will write downside a square plus 5, and here we will put multiply sign. Now we will multiply these two algebraic expression. So first of all, this last term we have to multiply with full algebraic expression. So first of all we will multiply sign. Plus multiply plus 5 1 ja 5. Now again this number we have to multiply with plus 2a. So plus multiply plus 5 multiply 2 will be 10, and a is also there, so we will write a. Plus multiply 3a cube, no sign is here, that means we have to take plus. Plus multiply plus 5 into 3 we will do, then we will get 15. Alphabet is not there, but here alphabet is coming, so this alphabet we have to write as it is. So this is plus 15a cube. Now this plus 5 work is over. Now we will take another term. Now we will take this term. This term we have to multiply with full algebraic expression. So sign we have to multiply first. Plus a square, on the left hand what is the sign? No sign is given. On the left hand of a square, that means we have to take plus. Plus multiply 1 is having plus sign. So plus multiply plus, in the rough we will write first. First of all we will write in the rough work. Plus multiply plus a square 1 ja a square. Whenever we will multiply anything with 1, answer will remain same. We will get the same answer, that is a square. So plus a square, and this plus a square you have to write under that term which is having a square. This is a cube. A square is not coming. This is a square is not coming. Here a is not there. So where we will write this plus a square? We will write this plus a square separately. Plus a square we will write separately, because here we have to write the like terms. 15a cube is given, so we have to write under this a cube term. Under this we have to write a term. Under this we have to write constant term in which no alphabet will be there. But here we are getting a square, so where we will write a square? We will write a square separately in the end. Now we have to multiply this a square with 2a. First of all we will multiply sign. Plus multiply plus. Here number we will multiply. Here no number is there, so we can take 1. If no number will be given, then we have to take 1. 1 into 2 when we will do, we will get 2. 1 2 ja 2. Now we will multiply alphabet. A square into a. A square into a when we will do, then we will get a cube. A square multiply a will be a cube. So we are getting plus 2a cube. So plus 2a cube we have to write here. Plus 2a cube. Why we will write here? Because under this we have to write a cube term. Like terms we have to write together. Now these two we had multiplied. Now we have to multiply this term with plus 3a cube. So first of all we will multiply sign. Plus multiply plus. 1 multiply 3, 3. A square multiply with a cube. A square multiply with a cube when we will do, then we will get a power 5. Power will get added. Here it is a square, here it is a3. When we will multiply these two, then power will get added. So a power 2 plus 3, answer will be a power 5. So this plus 3 a power 5, where we will write? Under this a cube term is written, under this constant term. So here you will observe a power 5 term is not there. So where we will write? We will write it separately in the end. Plus 3 a power 5. Now we will draw one line and we have to add these terms. This is single term, so we will write as it is. This is also single term. This is also single term. This is also single term. But here we are getting double term. So what we have to do? This is of plus sign. This is number is of also plus sign. So plus and plus means plus. So we have to add it. 15 plus 2 will be 17a cube. So this is your final answer. Or you can write like this also. First of all, you write the largest power term. Which one is having largest power? Which term is having largest power? 3a5. So first of all, you write plus 3a5. This term. Now you write smaller power plus 3a5. Then after that plus 17a cube. No sign is on the left here in the 17a cube. Nothing is there on the left side. So we will take plus sign. That's why I had written plus. Now you will write smaller power. Smaller than a cube. This is a square. Now a term we will write 10a. Now we will write constant term. So this is your final answer. So both the answer are correct. Either you write like this or you can write like this also. Both are same answer only. So no need to get confused. In the answer sheet it is given like this, I think. Let me check. In the answer sheet, fifth question, fifth part, sixth part. 3a power 5 plus 17a cube plus a square. So in your answer sheet, answer is given this one. But no need to get confused. This answer and this answer both are same only. So if you will write up to here, then also your answer is correct. So this is the column method. So in your heading, in the question heading, it is not mentioned which method you have to use. So you can use any method. Either you can use this column method or you can use horizontal method. So like this you have to do question number 5th. Now see question number 6th. Sixth question. Multiply 1 minus x plus y. We will write in one bracket. And in another bracket we will write 1 plus x plus y. So heading is multiply. So two methods are there. This question, this part I will explain you with the help of column method. So let's solve this question with the help of column method. You can use any method. In the question it is not mentioned which method you have to use. So in the column method what you have to do? First of all we will write this one. 1 minus x plus y. Now we will write this term 1 plus x plus y. Here you have to put multiply sign. Now first of all this last term we have to multiply with all the number of terms here what are given in the first algebraic expression. So plus multiply plus will be plus. Y multiply y will be y square. Again we will multiply these two terms. First of all we have to multiply sign. Plus minus minus. Y multiply x will be yx. Now plus multiply, no sign is written here. So plus multiply plus we will take. Plus multiply plus plus. Y multiply 1 will be y. So now this term is over. Now we will take another term. This one. This term we have to multiply with all the three here. So first of all we will multiply sign and we will write in the rough work first of all. Plus multiply plus will be plus. X into y will become xy. So where we will write this plus xy? Under this term we will write plus xy because these are like term. Yx or we can say xy, both are same thing. So this is also xy and this is also xy. Now these two terms we have to multiply. So sign we will multiply first. Plus multiply minus minus. X multiply x, x square. So here we are getting minus x square. So in this line you will not get any x square term. So where we will write this x square? We will write this x square in the end. In the end we will write. Now Again we will multiply these two terms. Plus, and no sign is here, that means it is plus only. Plus 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 x into 1, answer will be x, or you can say 1x. x भी लिख सकते हैं 1x भी. So where we will write this x alphabet? X alphabet is not here in the first line, so we will write in the end, or we can write this in the beginning also. It is not compulsory to write in the end. We have to write it separately. In the beginning also we can write plus 1x. So here in the beginning plus 1x. No need to write under this, because here we have to write y alphabet. So we will write it separately in the beginning also, or we can write in the end. It's your choice. Now this term we will leave, because we had done all the we had multiplied this x with all the three. Now it's a time to multiply this one with all the three terms here. So first of all, what we will do, sign of 1 is, it is not given, sign is not given, so what we will take, we will take plus sign. Now plus multiply plus, answer will be plus. 1 multiply y, answer will be 1y. So we will write this 1y here in the third line. We are multiplying third term. Na? First we had multiplied y with all the three. After that we had multiplied this x with all the three. Now we are doing 1. We are solving for 1. So we have to write in the third line. Where we will write? Third line. So here you can fill 0. Empty space you can fill 0, so that confusion should not be there. That's why what we will do, in the empty space we will fill 0. Now plus multiply plus plus, 1 multiply y, 1y. So 1y we will write here, plus 1y. Now plus multiply minus minus, 1 multiply x, x you can write, or you can write 1x, both are same thing. So minus 1x we will write here. This is the x alphabet, minus 1x. Now plus multiply plus plus, 1 multiply 1, 1. So plus 1, this is the constant term, alphabet is not coming. So where we will write? In this alphabet is there, here also alphabet, here also alphabet is coming, here also alphabet is coming. So under this we will fill 0, because no term is coming here. So here we will fill 0, but our answer is plus 1. So where we will write plus 1? This is the constant term. We will write plus 1 either in the beginning or in the end. So here I will write in the end plus 1. You can write in the beginning also plus 1. It's your choice. Now all the three terms we had multiplied with this full algebraic expression. Now we will add these terms. This plus 1 we will write as it is, because it is single term. On the top nothing is coming, so here we will fill 0. So on adding these three we will get 1. It is 0, it is 0. So what is the remaining term here? Minus x square. So we will write minus x square. Here also two terms are 0, but one is 1 square. So on adding these three we will get plus y square. This is minus yx, and this is plus yx or xy. You can say anything. This is xy, or we can call it yx. Both are same only. So this is yx and this is also yx. This is of minus sign, this is of plus sign. So both will get cancelled, and what we will get here? We will get 0. Nothing will be there. Plus y, and this is also plus y. Number is not there, we can take 1. If number will not be given, then we have to take 1. Plus and plus plus. So 1 and 1 will be 2. Alphabet is y. So on adding these two we got plus 2y. Now plus 1x and minus 1x. When we will cancel these two, answer will be 0. Why we will cancel these two? Because both are same. This is 1x, this is also 1x, and sign are opposite. This is plus 1x and this is minus 1x. So both will get cancelled and answer will be 0. So your final answer is 2y plus y square minus x square plus 1. So this is your final answer. In the answer sheet you will get the another order. Another order means maybe 2y will not be at first place, so no need to get confused. our answer is also correct. In your answer sheet it is given 6 question first part 1 plus 2y. This one is written first, then it is written plus 2y, then in the answer sheet it is written plus y square, then it is written minus x square. So no need to get worried. All the terms which are coming in your answer sheet, that terms we are getting here also. So no need to get worried. Our answer is also correct. So like this we have to do question number 6th first part. Now see question number 6th part. Question is, you have to multiply x square plus 2x plus 1 by x square plus 2x plus 1. So in the first part I had explained you column method. This question I will explain you with the help of horizontal method. In the horizontal method, what you have to do? First term we have to multiply with this full bracket. Now second term plus 2x. This is plus 2x. We have to multiply with full bracket. Third term we have to multiply with full bracket. Now we have to open the brackets. First of all we have to multiply sign. No sign is coming on the left hand, that means it is plus number. Here also no sign is there on the left, so on the left hand side it is plus only. Plus multiply plus, plus x square multiply x square. So when we will multiply x square with x square, we will get x power 4, because in the multiply power will get added. So x square multiply x square, our final answer will be x power 4. Now again we have to multiply sign. So first of all we will multiply sign. On the left hand of this plus sign, on the left hand of this term plus sign. Plus multiply plus, plus. Now number we will multiply. Here number is not given, that's why I had written here 1. So if number will not be there, you have to take it 1. 1 multiply 2, answer will be 2. X square multiply x. X square multiply x. This is x power 1. Power is not there, this is 1. So power will get added. X square multiply x will be x power 3. Again we have to multiply sign. This is plus sign and this is also plus. Plus multiply plus, plus. 1 multiply 1, 1. X square, here alphabet is not there. So this alphabet we have to write as it is. Now we will come to another bracket, this one. We have to solve this bracket. So first of all we will multiply sign. Plus multiply plus, plus. 2 multiply, number is not there, so we will take 1. 2 multiply 1, 2. X multiply x square. Here x square and here it is x only. So on multiplying it, 2 here and 1 here, we will get x power 3. Again we will multiply sign. Plus plus plus. 2 2 ja 4. X multiply x, x square. Plus plus plus. 2 1 ja 2. X, but here alphabet is not there, so this alphabet x we will write as it is. Now again we will multiply sign. Plus and inside also it is plus. So plus multiply plus will be plus. 1 multiply, number is not given in the bracket here, so we will take 1. 1 multiply 1, 1. And x square also we will write as it is. Plus multiply plus, plus only. 1 we have to multiply with 2x. If we will multiply 1 with any number, then we will get same answer. So no need to think about it. 1 multiply 2x, answer will be 2x only. Plus multiply plus, plus. 1 multiply 1 will be 1. Now brackets we had removed. Now what you have to do? You have to identify like terms. This is x power 4. No other term is having x power 4. So we will write it as it is. Now we will write power which is less than 4, that is x power 3. Here also we are getting x power 3. No other term except these two are having x power 3. So first of all we will solve this 2 term. This is plus 2, this is also plus 2, plus plus plus. So we have to add these two, 2 and 2. When we will add, we will get 4x power 3. Here we will not write x power 6. Here in this step we are not multiplying. Multiply is over. Now we have to add these two terms. We are not multiplying, we are adding these two terms. That's why whenever we will add or whenever we will subtract, power we have to write as it is. Here in the multiply, when we are opening the bracket, we are adding the powers, but here bracket is not there. Now we are adding these two terms. So what we have to do, alphabet we will write as it is, plus plus plus. So 2 plus 2 will become 4, x ki power 3, that we will write as it is. These two power we will not add. Now we will take another term, 1x square, 2x square and 1x square. These three terms are like term because they are having x square, power is x power 2. So what we will do, all these numbers are having plus sign. This one is also plus, this number is also plus, this number is also plus. So we will add all the number. 1 plus 4 will be 5, 5 plus 1 will be 6, and alphabet we will write as it is. We will not add alphabet power, x power 2, x power 2, x power 2. Don't write it x power 2 plus 2 plus 2, x power 6. We will not write x power 6. Why? Because here we are not multiplying, here we are adding these three terms. Multiplication is already over. Here in this step we had multiplied, but now we are adding these three terms. So alphabet we will write as it is. Alphabet we have to write as it is. Now x square is over. Now we will write x term. These two are having x. We will check the sign. This is plus 2. This is also plus 2. Plus and plus is plus only. So we will add these two. We will get 4x. On adding these two, we will get 4x. But you have to put the sign also. In this also you have to put sign. In this also you have to put sign. 6x square. When we had solved these three terms, we got 6x square. Which one is greater among these three? 4 is greater. What is the sign of 4? Plus. So we will write here plus sign. 4x. We are getting 4x with the help of these two terms. Both are having plus sign. So here also we will write plus sign. Now only one term is remaining here, that is plus 1. So we will write this remaining term also. And this is our final answer. Like this you have to do in the horizontal method. So your question number 6 is over. Like this you have to do all the remaining parts of question number 6. In the heading it is not mentioned which method you have to use. So you can use any method. Either you have to use horizontal method or you can use column method. Now see another question. Question number 7th. Seventh question. Simplify the following. Fourth part you see. First, second and third part are same as I had explained you in the question number 4th, question number 5th and question number 6th. Two methods I explained you to multiply. Those two methods, either column method or horizontal method. Same method you have to use in question number 7th, first, second, third part also. Fourth part, question is x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. So here three brackets are given. We have to find the product of these three brackets. So first of all, we will take two brackets, x minus 1 into x minus 2. I will explain you with the help of horizontal method. So first of all, we will multiply these two brackets. So first term multiply with full bracket. Now second term minus 1 multiply with this full bracket. Now we will open the bracket. x into x will be x square. Now sign plus minus minus, x into 2 will be 2x. Now minus plus minus, 1 into x will be 1x, minus minus plus 1 into 2 will be 2. Now in the next step, what do you have to do? Like terms we will solve. This is the single term, no other term is having x square, so we will write as it is. This is 2x and this is 1x, both are like term. Minus and minus plus, so we will add these to 3x. But you have to put the sign of greater number. 2 is greater, 2 is having minus sign. This plus 2 we will write as it is. Now 2 brackets we have to solve. Now this answer we have to multiply with third bracket, which is remaining one. So same method we will apply, horizontal method. First term multiply with full bracket. Second term minus 3x multiply with full bracket. Third term is plus 2 multiply with full bracket. Now we will open the bracket. Plus plus plus, x square into x when we will do, we will get x cube. Plus minus minus, x square into 3 when we will do, we will get 3x square. Minus multiply plus will be minus 3x into x when we will do, we will get 3x square. Minus multiply minus plus 3 into 3 will be 9. Here alphabet is there. This alphabet also we will write here. Now we will come to this bracket. Plus multiply plus plus 2 into x, 2x. Plus multiply minus minus 2 into 3 will be 6. Now in the next step, like terms we have to solve. This is the single term, no other alphabet is having x cube. So this is a single term, we will write as it is. These two are like term, minus and minus plus, so we will add these two. 3 and 3 will be 6x square. Both are having negative sign, so here also we will write negative sign. Greater number sign we have to put, but here both are equal, so we will put any sign, either this minus or this minus, so we have to write here minus sign. Now these two are like term, plus plus plus, so we will add it 11x. Sign will be of greater number, 9 is greater, 9 is having plus, here we will put plus sign. Minus 6 we will write as it is. So this is your final answer. We will not solve it further because all the alphabets are different. All the alphabets are different, so this is your final answer. So like this you have to do question number 7, fourth part. Now all the remaining parts are same. You have to finish this exercise in your fair notebook now, and in case if you are having any doubt, then you can comment in the comment box. I will explain you in the next video.